Good news for sky watchers. A thrilling astronomical experience is about to take place. As per reports, an annular solar eclipse will make its appearance in the skies on October 14th. The celestial event is often called the Ring of Fire. Reports revealed that the celestial phenomenon will be visible across most of the Americas for the first time since 2012. The Ring of Fire happens when the moon moves between the Sun and the Earth. The moon conceals the Sun partially and leaves a ring or annulus visible. This eclipse is also called a Ring of Fire because of the distinctive shape of the Sun caused by the moon partially blocking it. More about it later. Now, reports suggested that the annular solar eclipse on October 14th will not be visible in India. People in the Western Hemisphere can experience this eclipse. According to timeanddate.com, it will be visible along a narrow path that crosses the USA from Oregon to Texas. It will then pass over Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula, parts of Belize, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, Panama, Colombia, and Brazil. Elsewhere in the Americas, from Alaska to Argentina, a partial solar eclipse will be visible. Meanwhile, reports revealed that this is the last annular solar eclipse that will be visible from the US until June 21st of 2039. According to NASA, the annular solar eclipse will start at one location and end at another. It will begin in Oregon at 9:13 a.m. Pacific Daytime Light or PDT and end in Texas at 12:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time or CDT. NASA released a statement regarding the eclipse. Its statement said, and I quote, "During the eclipse, the sky will grow dimmer, though not as dark during a total solar eclipse. Some animals may begin to behave as if it is dusk and the air may feel cooler." Now let's understand how solar eclipses occur in general. Solar eclipse happens when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun. It temporarily blocks the Sun's light, forming a black shadow. During a solar eclipse, even though the moon is much smaller than the Sun because it is just the correct distance away from Earth, the moon can block the Sun's light from Earth's perspective. Let's understand what is an annular solar eclipse in detail. An annular solar eclipse or Ring of Fire happens when the moon passes between the Sun and the Earth while it is at its farthest point from Earth. Since the moon is farther from Earth, it appears smaller than the Sun and does not cover the star to form a ring around it. Lastly, it is never safe to look directly at the Sun during an annular solar eclipse without specialized eye protection designed for solar viewing. The US Space Agency has advised anyone viewing the annular solar eclipse to wear specialized eye protection designed for looking at the Sun.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.